Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you consider doing so? This channel is not just about showing you what's in the garden, but you will also become knowledgeable about the fruits and vegetables that are grown here. So, if you want to learn more about the foods that you eat, then go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to give a thumbs up as well. In this video, we will be looking at part 2 of the sweet potato harvest. So if you haven't seen part 1, then at the end of this video, go ahead and check out part 1 of the sweet potato harvest. Remember to give a thumbs up. These potatoes were planted approximately 7 months ago in this metal raised bed. Let's get to it. I'm going to pull back the vines so that I can get into the earth. Some are attached to the vines. These small potatoes can be used in soups or even to make pies. As you can see, this soil is very rich. Here's a nice bunch. It will be easier to dig into the soil now that the vines are removed. These potatoes can also be used to make fries, sweet potato fries. This is a nice medium-sized one. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that each year 260 billion pounds of sweet potatoes are produced globally? Another fun fact. It is said that approximately 90% of the world's crop is grown in Asia. Do you like sweet potatoes? Fun fact. Americans eat 7.5 pounds of sweet potatoes each year. Fun fact. Sweet potatoes come in many different colors, like orange, white, yellow, red, and purple. The orange ones are the sweetest of them all. As you can see, we got a full container again. Let's wash them off. Thanks for watching. See you next time at the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.